Hi, I'm Julia LeRoy, and today I'm here to teach you how to make a grain bowl. It's a versatile way to create a delicious, healthy meal at home. And all you need to know is the basic formula so that you can create your own version using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Next thing you know, you have a delicious, healthy, and fun meal. Here's the basic formula. The best bowls contain a balance of grains, veggies, and protein, such as a chicken breast or a boiled egg. It's a good idea to have a variety of flavors and textures as well. Make sure there's always something with a little crunch to balance the soft textures of the grain and the veggies, and most of all, get creative. Today, I'm using brown rice. I like to cook rice in chicken stock instead of water so I can pack in more flavor and more nutrients. Next, I'm adding some cucumber and a little kimchi. Add sliced avocado and top it off with some peanuts and sesame seeds for some bonus protein and crunch. I always like to add some bright, fresh herbs if I have them available. And now, we'll top with our dressing. Now that you know the basic components of a grain bowl, you can follow our recipe or create your own. Thanks for watching.